pens. Orange color. Blue color. Dark green color. Green color. Red color. Yellow color. Light pink color. Pink color. Purple color. A. A for apple.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
B.
A, B, C, D, E, F,
B for ball.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S,
C.
U, V, W,
C
X,
for cat.
Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
D.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
D for duck. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M,
G.
N, O, P, Q, R, S, T,
G
U, V,
for glasses.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know
H.
my ABCs. Next time,
H
won't you
for
sing
hat.
with me?
I for ice.
A, B, C, D,
J.
E, F, G, H,
J
I, J,
for
K,
jelly.
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V,
K.
W, X,
K
Y,
for
and
kite.
Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next
L.
time, won't you sing
L for
with
lollipop.
me?
M. M for mango. N. N for nectarine. O. O for owl. P. P for pumpkin. Q. Q for quill. R. R for rocket. S. S for strawberry. T. T for tree. U. U for unicorn. V. V for vase. W. W for watermelon. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yogurt. Z. Z for zebra.